Yo, my bad. I'm doing a little mini vlog down here in downtown. I don't know, you can't even see downtown. Oh, damn, taking my dog to this restaurant, but he kept peeing and sad, bro. Like, take a shit, bro. It's cold. And he over here getting all wet. But, gotta keep walking him down. He over here marking territory and shit. What the fuck? Bunny needs to take his brakes. Damn, it's cold. He doesn't want to take a shit. This is a weird way to start off the vlog, I ain't gonna lie. Man, come on. We got the reunion tower. We're gonna stay here for like, I don't know, I think till Monday. Cause it's the snowstorm. My bad, I'm here freezing my ass off. But I should turn off the flash low key. BRB. I just turned off the flash, walking around, trying to get this dog to shit. Which he is not gonna shit, bro. We've been out for damn near 20, 30 minutes. Look, marking territory and shit. But you can see the skyline, the light. Still trying to take my dog to shit in the rain. Hopefully he don't get sick or gets a fever. But walking around and shit. Still trying to get into shit. Trying to see if, oh, hold on, bro. I'll show you the room later on tonight. There's a scooter, my phone's getting wet. It's cold and bitch. Look at the scooter. Come over here, bro. I think I gotta go turn around. Oh, hold on. Oh, wait, never mind. You can see the reunion tower. Yeah. Over here with my boy Draco. Alright, Draco. Oh, wait, you can see the bridge. Hold on. You can see the bridge a little bit. Come on, Draco. It's raining, bro. You ain't want to take a shit, bro. Look. He been here a couple times, so he trying to mark his territory again. But well, I guess I'll pick up the camera when I get to the room. Wait, nah, he ain't gonna take a shit. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera once I get to the room. In the hotel room with my little brother. What's up, man? Not his dad, bro. He got a little autism, but hold on. Actually, I won't even see this room before. I'm gonna post this once I get out. This the drip, man. No man my size. Brought the dog with me. It's a restroom. Yeah. Yeah. We got pizzas. Plastic bags in case my dog take a shit outside. If he does. And we got pizza, some nuts, our bed, my brother's Crocs. And then I brought my PS5. Oh, okay. My fault. And then I brought my stuff right here. But we out here, man. Oh, wait. Let me show y'all the view. If y'all can't even see the view. This is gonna take a minute. Damn, too foggy. Oh wait. Oh yeah, shout out to the exclusive. But hold on. Oh man, that's how I know I fuck with y'all heavy. I'm in here cleaning the window with my jacket. Real in the reunion tower. Yeah. Yeah. I was here like in New Year's Eve and then New Year's. But you can't even see the traffic. Hold on, let me clean this. Oh man. Doing a wipe challenge. There you go. You can't even see no traffic. Nobody's outside. Yeah. But I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna close this. Just a little mini vlog showing off the room. But hopefully I could play some what's it called, some Fortnite tonight. Man, if all of y'all knew how many times I gotta listen to this song with him. Finna take him to the restroom. Finna take to the restroom for the second time. Gotta wash because it's already nighttime. Let's see what we can see. Damn. Can't even see nobody, bro. I think everybody is asleep. It's only like 8 or 9. I think it's like 8:30. I left my earphone in the room. But waiting for the elevator. I think this video is gonna be called trying to take my dog to take a shit. Not sure. Shit. Imagine somebody was in here. I was like, when you're recording myself and shit. Yeah. No. Oh, my boy Draco. It's pretty empty in here. Anything. Bro, it would be so bad if you took a shit in the fucking lobby. I would be so embarrassed. Here's the train. There's the train. Right there, you can see the Reunion Tower. Let's keep walking, bro. Oh shit, I see some girls. Let's see if I can pick them up. I pussy out. I get the numbers, but you can't even see him. I ain't pussy out. They just ignored them. I ain't gonna lie. But they're like, oh, cute dog. But Draco still haven't taken shit yet. Oh, I lied. He is. Well, I'll pick up the camera later. I gotta pick up his shit right now. Well, not the camera, the phone. I left my camera in the hotel room. But I'll pick this shit up. Just picked it up. Fuck. He all good now. Yeah. Damn, it smell like weed. I wish I had some, I ain't gonna lie. Just kidding, don't smoke. Smoking is bad. But let's go back to the hotel room. And hopefully I can connect the PS5. My brother fell asleep. But, hold on. Shit. I already took my shower. Damn it. Hold on, I got something through my toes. Ah, fuck. Hold on. But, got my Nintendo Switch. That shit charging. It is not 5:25 p.m. by the way. Oh shit. I just ate some pizza earlier. But it is 3:02, Saturday, January 24th. But I'll go take a sleep, take a nap. I am very sleepy. And I'll pick up the camera once I wake up. I just woke up, bro. Hold on. Just woke up. This night, day 2, I guess. I don't know, I lost count. I'm trying to see if it was a call snowed or not. And then I gotta get my brother ready because we had to change rooms real quick. Right, bro? Cheese.
Cheese.
Oh shit, it did snow. Yes. My brother's trying to watch K-pop Demon Hunters. Oh shit, it snowed. Not a lot, but it snowed. That's wild. I have my dogs out. Literally. But gotta get ready. It is the morning. Mom came in. Not the room. Pretty much looks the same as the other one. But this time, you get this type of view. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna take my dog out to the restroom again. So I'm gonna record him, take a shit in the snow and everything. Oh, the floor is very icy. And I ain't bringing no gloves. That's one thing I keep fumbling every year. Look. Oh shit, watch out, bro. Fumbling me slide. But what the hell? That is Aska part. Freaking, I don't know when's the last time it snowed. I remember it was last year for sure. Fucking Dallas, Aska part 5, I'm assuming. 6, 7. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm too grown for that shit. But damn, so this motherfucker don't wanna come out your territory and shit. But damn, it's cold like a motherfucker. I think it's snowing or raining. Not even sure. But if I don't walk my dog down, just for him to see the snow and just pee everywhere pretty much. Look, he got cold too. But yeah, I'm gonna pick this shit up once I get to the hotel room. He over here freezing his balls off. But it's pretty much the same shit from the other hotel room. But this time we're like more deep in the fucking hotel. We're like super close by the kitchens and everything. But damn, my brother already wiped this down for me. But look, bro, hold on. That is nuts. I mean, it's not too crazy. You can probably see the car that I parked, which you cannot see. But that's wild. Right. What are you doing, bro? Over here eating cereal and banana. And my mom brought me some waffles. Which, hell yeah, but it got, hey yo, that looks freaking. You like eggs and waffles?
Eggs?
It's just weird. Finna connect the PS5 real quick. I'm gonna be honest. I only.
What's wrong?
Shut up, bro. I'm gonna be honest. I only brought one pair of pants. And I just brought like different pair of shorts. Cause I'm not a pants type of guy, but I'm gonna get the Wi-Fi password. I fumbled. I brought my tripod. But I ain't bringing the thing to hold my phone because I'm gonna be honest, I am not trying to export nothing from my camera to the phone. Just using straight iPhone. I guess I'm not switching up to the camera, I'm gonna be honest. It's too much work. But I guess I'll just show you my point of view on connecting a PS5. How to connect a PS5. You need your remote. This is my headset, my JBL headset. I wasn't sure it was the best headset. Sit. Ah. But, boom. You connect this. I think I connected it right. You connect it in here. Just like that. And then connect this. And right here. Oh, this in here. Yes, no, bro. I'm just recording so I can put some shit out there. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, what a retard. The fuck? Come on, man. Can we connect this hoe? Hold on, I gotta pause this. Alright, I had to do some one-on-one engineering shit. I just gotta put this bitch out. Damn, this bitch sticky too. Hold on. There. Connected it. But damn, I gotta wash my hands. Here's the remote. Sit. Damn, he's freezing fogging up. My brother over here watching brand rock shit. World of high-end. Like, once I press the menu button, you're gonna see two guys kissing. I'm not trolling. Look. There. Oh, hell no. I'm not homophobic, but bro, that's like the craziest shit you gotta put on the TV, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, but I support my gay people, man. Go you gay people. Right, Jacob? Hopefully I don't get canceled, though. I fuck with my gay people. They cool people. Yeah, you gotta put live TV. Hey. Bro, my dog got in the hot tub. Wasn't able to connect the PS5, bro. This should be bullshitting, bro. How they gonna give us a fucked up ass import? Man, this some bullshit, bro. I'm trying to play some Fortnite, bro. I'm mad, bro. I'm cool. Well, at least I got my Switch with me. Oh shit, it's right here. At least I got the Switch. Yeah. Pokemon Brilliant Diamond, Mario Kart, YouTube. And focus, motherfucker. Super Smash Bros. 2. Man, this some bullshit for real. So, nothing really going on. Just been watching TV and shit. Finna eat some Kit Kats with my brother. My boy snoozing. You ready to cheese this Kit Kat?
Yes.
Yes, let's go eat some. So I'm just scrolling to TikTok, cuddling with my dog. And look, bro. Cheese. That boy tweaked out. Bored out of our mind, can't connect the freaking PS5. I was able to connect the Nintendo Switch, but fuck the Switch. I can't even play games because I don't got Nintendo online. You're bored? Look, he's so bored he put on my jacket on. You're bored? Hey, Jacob, come here.
Cheese.
You bored?
Cheese.
You bored?
Cheese.
Not taking a picture, bud. You bored? Look, we're all bored. Man. Well, like I said, but it's only day 2. We're gonna be here like tomorrow again. We're pretty hungry, I ain't gonna lie. We forgot the ham and the weenies to eat some food. But you hungry, Jacob? You hungry? Alright, bro. Fuck me, then. But yeah, we're just bored. Cut it up. Had to close this down because it got really cold. I was freezing. Had to turn up the heater. That's why I'm on the blankets with my dog. And that's why I put him on this big ass jacket. But I mean, we out here. Bro, shout out. Hold on. I'm gonna mute myself. My fault. I'm playing with the boys right now. My feet. Shout out to my boy Franco, bro. He came in clutch. I was already stressing. I'm wearing my shorts, by the way. But look, I'm on with my boy Cozy and Riz. Finally, bro, I've been here since yesterday at 6. Took me the whole entire day, bro. Just to get the Wi-Fi. Shout out to Franco for teaching me this hack for real. I'm on this bitch for real. Shout out to my maintenance worker. Finally got the room to myself. He's out here, man. I don't know if you can hear him, but I'm about to start playing the game right now. Bro, it's still day 2. I'm dirty, I'm sorry. Still day 2. I forgot to record that we got pizza earlier. My boy Jacob. And my boy Draco. What's up, Draco? He got a little ear infection, Charlie. We had pizza earlier. That whole like $15 for a small ass pizza. It's just nuts. Frozen pizza. And then update. Can't really see outside. And then look. Like I said, on my Instagram story, we paid extra bread and shit just for this hoe to freaking not work. But bro, it got so bad. Look, I'm gonna turn this bitch around. Hold on, I'm gonna wipe this down. But he trying to make me play some Fortnite. Bro, this is getting frozen. We be using this shit to wipe it down. Lord. Look, bro. Oh, yeah, I'm about to play some Roblox in the bed. This shit's like, look, I try to turn out the lights. That's just nuts. Focus, focus. These people are crazy driving like that, bro. Like, you can't even see the road no more. Hey, man. I would say be safe out there, but once I upload this video, I'm gonna be in my house editing. I might edit tonight before I clock out. I'm not sure. But still, bro, I hope y'all watching my videos in the storm. Right. Got him playing with my stuff. Yes?
K-pop?
You wanna watch K-pop Demon Hunters? I got you, bro. Just took Drake out the shit and look. Hold on, bro. I'm scared of heights. Oh, okay. This is the 8th floor. Alright, let's go. Scared of heights. I'm out of this bitch. Fuck that. Taking out the shit. Forgot to record. But I'm gonna go back to the hotel room. This is daydream. Just woke up. Bro, I want to sleep till like 6 in the morning, bro. This motherfucker won't let me sleep. But still snowing outside. Nothing looks the same as yesterday. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, he's sliding back. Hold on. Bro, he slid back. Oh, shit. That boy tweaking. Nah. He tweaking. I caught that shit on camera. What? That boy tweaking. I gotta see if I got it right. I thought I had on camera, bro. I thought he was like sliding back. But nah, he was just reversing because his dumb ass meant to exit. Man, that is for you, for real. That is for you, for real. Might become a rapper, low key. But yeah, my boy Drake over here tweaking out. Jacob eating some cereal. Man, we had to bring food because I don't like going down there and ordering food because it should be expensive. You want banana?
Yes.
I got you, bro. Well, I'm gonna take a shower and shit because I'm kind of dirty.
Banana?
I got you, bro. Reporting news, bro. Someone already slid and shit. Oh my lord, I was taking a shit. But damn, that must have sucked. I was trying to see. There's like a couple people, this freaking things blocked my way. So but damn. Can I zoom in even closer? Hold on, be back. Alright, I had to change quality real quick. But damn, bro. Shout out to the iPhone 17 for letting me zoom in this much. But that gotta suck for real. See, one in a Cobra Kai shirt. Gotta zoom in. Wow, this zooming is nuts.
Listen.
Oh my god. I'm gonna be a news reporter for real. Oh, and then we got this dude. Hold on, fuck. Is he coming to the rescue? Let's see. Reporting news. We're watching this shit. Easy. Oh, he left. Oh, that dude did not. Nah, he's on the other side. What? I'm gonna like this some good quality on this camera. First time putting this shit to use. That's wow. Hey man. That's nuts. Hey, he got away though. Man. Oh, I think everybody's pushing back. Cause bro, it's bad, bro. It's really icy for real. Hey, but I caught the hell on camera though. I'm outside this time. Thinking, oh my god, bro, this is not even snow, it's just ice. Look. But that's just why he over here sliding and slipping too. But now we're just out here walking Draco and shit. I think he likes the cold. I'm not sure. I think he's cold. But hopefully y'all can hear me though. But my hands is freezing. We got the train out here. We got the reunion tower up here. Oh, what the fuck was that? I heard something fell. Bro, the crazy part is you can't even see the sidewalk no more. This is the sidewalk. That is crazy, bro. This is like, well, you can a little bit, but damn. Hey, chill. Hold on. Get back here. Get back here. Come on. Bro, I'm gonna put my phone back up because it's cold. It was a chill day. Wearing the same shit, but this time with my anti-social hoodie, shirt. You know, nothing new. Just Jacob listening to K-pop. But got my socks on. My base dust socks. Gotta show these bitches off. But we're just listening to some 4NT RP Rich Homie Quan. Smile Now, Cry Later, Volume 1. Can't wait for Volume 2. But might end the day here, to be honest. This is day 3. Oh, yeah, I shouldn't have done that. But this is day 3 type shit. That is Aska Park. I don't know, I'm just yapping, bro. She's bored. But maybe tomorrow is checkout time. Not even sure, but I gotta see later on. I did not have to cut. My bad, bro. I'm too fat for this shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I just thought of an idea. I wish I could have done, which I freaking fumbled. I was watching this rainwater video where he's talking about he doing like a discount on music reviews. And I should do music reviews, but I'm not gonna like charge cause I'm just gonna listen to them hoes, but I had to pause the music because copyright reasons. But I could just play the music here and then have the have the camera like set up right here cause I didn't bring a big setup. My big tripod. Which I fumbled again, bro. Second fumble of the year. My first fumble was with the guy was, if you're from Dallas. Fumbling that one too, which I'm kind of still upset about it. But for the close not here. I don't know. I think I might do some recordings of me playing Fortnite if I could get the angle right. I had to pick up the phone again, so I ended up doing the music reviews. Which check it out on the Crown TV. I think I'm gonna drop this video maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna work on it because I do got a lot of stuff to do. Because by Wednesday, I'm gonna be in San Diego. Gonna be in San Diego Wednesday. Damn, you can see my food in the back. Gonna be in San Diego by Wednesday. I thought I had the mic on. Man, look at my boy Draco. But I think I'm gonna end the video here, to be honest, because it ain't really nothing crazy gonna happen. It's just gonna be me walking my dog, complaining how bored I am. But thank y'all for watching, man. Come fuck with y'all, boy. Follow me in the Crown TV. Just wrapped up a video for the Crown TV, and yeah, I'm finna end this bitch here. It's weird because I usually end all my vlogs at exclusive in the shop. But fuck it, I'll look and end it. But I'll see y'all later. Wrong way.